Hello once again. So bye bye Patan and Lankuri Bhanjyang, here we come. So our journey for Lankuri Bhanjyang starts from here. I think we should have gone that way for Gwarko. So from here it is the straightforward road, go to Gwarko, which of course is a ring road of Kathmandu, Lalitpur, and then take left from Gwarko for Lubhu, Lamatar. From Lamatar it will be uphill towards Lankuri Bhanjyang. So as per Google it is about 16 kilometers from Patan Durbar Square. So far we have traveled about 4.5 kilometers from Durbar Mark, that is King's Road, and it took us about 15 minutes from Durbar Mark to Patan Durbar Square. Whoa, Durbar Mark, yeah, as I showed you the Naranjiti Palace, that is also the palace of Saha dynasty. So there were Saha dynasty, Malla dynasty, Litchivi dynasty, and King Prithvi Naran Saha of Gwarko united all these 24 kingdoms. So there was Saha dynasty and came the Rana. I will say dynasty as well to Rana. They ruled for many years. Again, traditional houses. Woodcraft, stonecraft, window design, door design. These carry our traditions and cultural significance. So Bhaktapur, we saw that Bhaktapur and Patan, the area near to the Durbar Square, are preserving these Nepalese tradition. And I haven't noticed such tradition around Kathmandu Durbar Square. So we are at Balkumari. I think this area is called Balkumari. Gwarko, Lalitpur. Whoa, I was wrong. This is Gwarko. Okay, if this is Gwarko, then we should find the main junction of Gwarko and then go straight. I think this is the another key junction of Gwarko, but I do not think this is the ring road that I was talking about. I don't know, let's see. I'm not familiar with this side. Yeah, this is the ring road. So from we shall cross this ring road and go straight towards Lubhu Lamatar. So if you can see, if we go via this ring road, I mean to the right to that ring road. I mean if you go straight from the ring road, that will be Saddabato, Ekantapuna, and ultimately Kalanki, guys. Whoa, I haven't been to this side of the valley since since ages, and I do not. So let's say it's like my first time coming towards here, and then Lubhu, Lamatar, and then Lankuri Bhanjyang will be the first time, no doubt in that, no doubt about that. So last time I was here, the road was narrow, and I have heard that they have, remodel this wider road. So this is wide, maybe 4-lane road. This is, yeah, 4-lane road. There seems to have had accident, so people have gathered there, and there is traffic. And I think it will take about half an hour for Lankuri Bhanjyang. The Google map was showing about 54 minutes for Lankuri Bhanjyang, which slowly will depend on the road condition. It had rained like 4 or 5 hours this morning. Had to wait for the weather, and finally we can see sun. Wow, lucky again, I will say. So from Durbar Square, Kings Road, Durbar Mark, where we had started our journey, it is about like 1 hour to Lankuri Bhanjyang. So I will have one Coke here. And so welcome once again. We are at actually Imadol. So from here it will be Lubhu, and then Lamatar, and then uphill towards Lankuri Bhanjyang, and there is some off-road towards Lankuri Bhanjyang after Lamatar. As it was raining for about 5 or 6 hours, so let's hope that road is quite not that slippery. Let's hope we can ride till the viewpoint of Lankuri Bhanjyang. So it can take us about 30 to 45 minutes from here to Lankuri Bhanjyang, and it's like traveling for the first time in this road. To Lubhu and Lamatar. In Lamatar I had stayed about 3 or 4 days for some events. And once again, guys, at that time this road was pretty narrow, and it was like 12 years ago. So it is like my first ride towards Lubhu and Lamatar. And of course Lankuri Bhanjyang, I have never been there before, so of course that is the first time. It will be my first time for Lankuri Bhanjyang.
If you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall.
So we are at Lubhu. Wow. They have widened the road pretty much. That's why people are being crazy to buy land and live around this area. Road access is very good here, man. Wow. And of course the environment, I mean the air and atmosphere is amazing here. So my friends, we had already been in Lamatar. So straight from here for Lankuri Bhanjyang. It was not Lakhu, it is Lakku. And we can go Bhaktapur from here. I think this is Lamatar bus station, and I do think our off-road starts from here. No, I have stayed in that Subatara school, so it is still right from there. For Lankuri Bhanjyang it is left, and for Subatara school it is right. I mean for Sisneri. Sisneri will be for another day. I will definitely come to Sisneri. For now it is Lankuri Bhanjyang.
She knows that I gotta be trusted. She's ready love. But the money's elastic. She's ready love. And she knows that I gotta be trusted. She's ready love.
So Lankuri Bhanjyang is 5 kilometers from here, and till here we have rode about 15.8 kilometers from Tarmac Kings Road. It is 2:55 p.m. I think we had started our journey around 2 p.m. There is one view tower up there. Had amazing valley view. I'll say the weather is clear and it will take around, those guys were saying that it will take around 10 minutes for the main Lankuri Bhanjyang view tower from here.
Running back to my old life, bet it leaves it burning. Speaking tongues in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me babies, you're not wasting time.
Up to now, if I have to rate this off-road at this season, I will rate it around 4. If I have to rate it between 1 to 10, maybe 3 or 4 in terms of difficulty. In terms of difficulty, this is the same as that of Tarmac. If they hadn't paved the stones, then it might have caused more difficulties, but thank God these stones are life-saving.
Make the time move slower. We could do whatever, yeah, sun's out. Make the clouds move over. We could do whatever, yeah. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We could do whatever, yeah, sun's out. Make the clouds move over. We could do whatever.
Yep, this is Lankuri Bhanjyang. ए दाइ त्यो भ्यू टावर कति टाढा छ यहाँबाट?
300 मिटर।
हजुर
300 मिटर।
300 मिटर ए हस् धन्यवाद हजुर. So this is the prime Lankuri Bhanjyang and view tower is 300 meters from here. View tower माथि हो? माथि है? हस्. And he said that view tower is 300 meters from here. Whoa, the weather is a bit chilly here. It's like in Nagarkot. One should always wear thin jacket. I can see the trail of many people sleeping their vehicles, maybe at morning during the rain. Yes, if you can see these trails, these are the tire sleeping tears. And I think this Scorpion rally tire is good for this kind of road as well. It has very good grip, and this BMW had mid-jeller tires in their stock. I will rate this Scorpion Rally more than the mid-jeller, and I do not know where is the view tower. Is it on my left or is it on my right? Let's see what's on my right first. Yep, this is some park. Let's ask her where is the view tower. आमा नमस्कार. त्यो भ्यू टावर कता हो आमा? यही माथि हो? हस् धन्यवाद हजुर. Wow. think you can go to Panoti through this road. They have cemented this trail, which is good, as these bushes are covered with leeches. You must be aware of leech in this season. I might get some. Let's hope not too. So this is the view tower. Whoa, brave guys are bathing. माथि जानु मिल्छ है? माथि जानु मिल्छ है? मिल्दैन? He said that it hasn't opened yet and he does not have the key. So I think that will be the another area. Whoa, I love Lankuri Bhanjyang the most. I loved it more than Tarevir, Nagarkot and Shivapuri for valley view and this scenic beauty. It's marvelous here. I think Himalaya rains over there. If the weather had been clear, it will have been we will have seen the whole Himalayan range from here. I think you can see the plane landing. If you can see, there is one plane over there, and that side will be airport. You can see the plane landing and take off from here. एकछिन माथि जानु मिल्दैन? One hour ride to Lankuri Bhanjyang. Of course, be careful of the slippery road during rainy season, but it rained hard. I mean, almost for 5 to 6 hours this morning, and I will say we were lucky that the sun comes up for 1 or 2 hours. There is no sun now. Yep, you can view three valleys perfectly. The 8K version of the valleys. Whoa, this is magnificent, guys. And if you can see, that is Lubhu way, and I live in that area near one of the hill. I think it is located around there, the edge of the valley. Wow, this is magnificent, yaar. You can also go over there for some view. I think this place is great. Hello. I thought to come on the ground that we are saw from the view tower. We were there. So this is the open plateau kind of ground that we had viewed from there. This looks like picnic spot. Really, guys, 8K version of the, I don't know, 16K version of the valleys. So guys, this is the Lankuri Bhanjyang, and guys, leave Nagarkot, leave Tarevir, leave Sivapuri, leave Dachinkali, leave Kodara. First come here, Lankuri Bhanjyang. You will see the valley like never before. Okay, take care, have fun, bye bye.